Hi, to activate reverse charging on your nothing CMF phone 1, first thing first, make sure that your CMF phone 1 is on and charged at least to 50%. Now take your USB cable. In my case, it would be this USB lightning cable to charge my iPhone 14 Pro Max with this lightning charging port. So what we are gonna do, Type-C part we need to plug in our phone 1. And now this lightning port I'm gonna plug in my phone which I wanna charge. And this is iPhone. And just in a few seconds, you'll notice that it is actually starts to charge. So you can see that icon is green. We received charging information. So let's try this out again. And yep, phone is charging and now I got 76%. So that's basically it how it works. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.